We will guide you through how to embed Excel in Confluence. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure your browser is open and ready before proceeding to the next step. Go to atlassian.com/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely before continuing. Click Sign In to open the Atlassian sign-in page. On the Atlassian sign-in page, enter your email address carefully in the email field, making sure it is entered correctly before proceeding. Click Continue to proceed to the password page, where you will be asked to enter your account password. Enter your password carefully in the password field, ensuring that it is entered correctly before continuing. Click Login to access your Atlassian account. Click the app switcher icon next to your profile picture to display the available Atlassian applications connected to your account. Select Confluence to access your Confluence workspace. Open the space that you want to use, making sure you have selected the correct space before proceeding. Open the page that you want to use and wait for it to load completely before continuing. To embed an Excel file, make sure the Excel file has already been uploaded to one of your Confluence pages before continuing with the embedding process. Click anywhere on the page and type /Excel to display the available Excel-related macros. Select Excel from the macro search results to open the Excel macro configuration options. Click the page name field and enter the name of the page that contains the Excel file. Click the file name field and make sure the Excel file that you want to embed is selected from the available files. Click Save to apply the selected file and insert it into the current Confluence page. You have now successfully embedded an Excel file in Confluence.